I will show you how to create Flutter project and run this project on Android emulator. So for that, we will run PowerShell. Now we will create project on documentation, document folder. We'll write and now we'll write the command to create a project over here. So the command is flutter create dash dash org, and the naming should be unique for Android developer to create a project. So we'll use the reverse of the email address. I will use kusha@gmail.com. So I'll use .com.gmail.kusha, and now we'll give the project name project 1. We'll keep the project name as lowercase letters. We'll hit enter. So the Flutter project has been created. Now we will see what the files look like. Project 1. Alright, so the project has been successfully created and all the subfolders has been listed over here. So now we'll go to Android Studio. We'll open a new project, click on project 1, we'll select it. Alright, so the project 1 is here. So we'll go to the library, open the main.dart folder, and here's all the code. So we'll go to view, go to terminal. In terminal, we will first check if we have an emulator. I already have installed my emulator. So Flutter emulator. I have one available emulator, Google Pixel, and I have given the name API 28. So now we will run the command Flutter emulator API 28. Okay, Flutter emulator. Actually, we have to launch it. So launch API 28. I actually keep misspelling my Flutter. Dash dash launch API 28. This is what happens when you don't have the coffee while you're working on a project. So now the emulator is launching. Okay, looks like it has successfully launched. Now we will run the command Flutter, and okay, looks like I have spelled it right. Okay, so emulator is still being connected. I need to wait few seconds before I can connect to my Google Pixel emulator. Alright, looks like emulator has just started. Alright, let me just try Flutter run. Alright, looks like Flutter run command works and the emulator is responding. So initializing Gradle has been completed within 2.2 seconds. and dependencies has been resolved less than 8 seconds, so that's pretty fast. Right now, running the Gradle task assemble debug. Okay, which took 56 seconds to run that. Finally, is completed, and it has been installed. So now looks like the project has compiled and it's running. All right. So Flutter demo homepage. So it says you have pushed the button this many times. So we will click add, and it just keep increasing. All right. So this is how you will create a Flutter project, and you can run in emulator. I will create another video to show how to download emulator. And also one thing before we go, uh, if you just change anything, if you want to compile the code, you just press R in the terminal and it will automatically changes on your emulator. So that's quick and fast. So that's all from the video. I'll keep you posted with some more videos on Flutter and Android app development. Thank you.